Okay guys, here we are, Hailey and myself, camera girl. This is the taste test challenge for the potato pancake. Whose recipe reigns supreme? So Hailey and I are going to dig in. Miss Camera Girl, she's already taken a bite of each, so she knows, but we put them on two separate plates, so we don't know which is which.
I do have to say, they kind of look similar in a way, but...
But what?
I don't know.
See, she's already decided. Okay, let's go. I'm going to take a bite of this one. Same as you. That's the same one you got, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That tastes pretty good.
Alright.
Now, to do it correctly, Miss Hailey says we have to rinse. So we're rinsing. That was pretty tasty. Let's try this one, huh?
Oh, this is going to be tough.
Well, it's also good, but take one more bite. Now I'm going to try Miss Hailey's again. And after that, I'm going to say what I'm going to say. This is that thing. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Don't forget to.
Yeah. Well, I have to say it's the truth. So this one is hers, right?
You can taste more of the onion in this one, I think. Were there onions in this one?
No, that one has some jalapenos in there.
Can't really taste the jalapenos.
Well, there's onions in there too. But we put jalapeno in, just a little bit of jalapeno. But that's not, this one, Mr. Ed's potato pancake isn't as tasty as this one, I think. So I'm going to go with Miss Hailey's potato pancake as the #1 supreme recipe. What are you going with?
I think I like this one.
You like that one? Uh-oh. We have a tie. Ho, ho, ho. So that means Miss Camera Girl has to chime in. She's already tasted them. So what do you think, Camera Girl?
I think I need another bite.
Hit the pause button.
Okay, after another bite, they're both delicious, but I think Mr. Ed's potato pancakes, have to have seasoning added, whereas Miss Hailey's already are packed with seasoning. I don't know if they put pepper in it when you made it, but it seems like it's already got all the seasonings and doesn't need anything added. So have to give it to Hailey this time.
Okay, so once again, we've taken the vote, the people have spoken, and Miss Hailey's recipe is reigning supreme today. So, hats off to you, Miss Hailey. Did a good job. Okay, so till next time, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back. We'll give you another delicious recipe just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying, see you on the next video.